This is a repair attempt for an Allan Dement. Claim number is 01-50N808D. There are several shingles that are damaged on this roof. There's one, there's two there. All over this side. We've got shingles that are creased. You've got several over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there's hardly any granules left on the shingle. It's not repairable. You can see the condition of the shingle. And it's pretty poor condition. So we will be doing a repair attempt on this shingle. So it's going to be right here. Again, you can see the damage. Now we've damaged that shingle. Again, we're being gentle. We're just trying to get it unsealed. But because it's so old, there's no way to get the shingle bar underneath it without damaging it, because it's literally crumbling as we're trying to lift the shingle. I mean, see, just kind of as a point of reference, this is the same shingle, but it's 20 years newer. That's the same shingle, Allan.
Yeah.
Let's try to unseal it. So you can't even get them unsealed. I mean, how am I supposed to repair this one shingle? You can't even unseal these without them tearing apart. You know? That's what I meant when I said we're gonna make it worse. Luckily, this was at the top of the ridge cap and not towards the bottom of the eave, because then it would have just went all the way up. I mean, like, I'm just going to stop right there. Again, claim number 0150N808D. Allan, I'll have a tarp put on this for you, obviously. We'll try one more on the other side. If you're good with that, Allan?
Yep.
Let's see what we can do over here. Let's see. We'll do this one right here. again, this one is completely, I mean, like, I don't even like sticking my shingle bar under there just because it's nothing but fiberglass at this point, you know? And like, I'm barely even getting my shingle bar under there without tearing a hole in the shingle. And again, I'm trying to be gentle. It's just not, like, look at this. Alan, do you want to gently try to unseal this one?
Sure.
That way it,
Sure.
and this is actually the homeowner up here with me. It's that one right there. Just try to get the shingle bar underneath it enough just to where you can barely get that one unsealed without tearing a hole in it. I mean, you're just tearing the shingle apart trying to get the shingle bar under it. See? Just see if you can get that one unadhered and then we'll stop it.
Okay. Yeah, pop through. Just coming to pieces.
Yeah. And again, we're trying to be gentle. That's fine.
Okay.
So this shingle is not repairable. We couldn't even get the shingles unadhered without tearing the shingle in half. So we didn't even get to the process of getting to install the new shingle.